Granny Master is a platform that can bridge the gap between the student and the teacher. We believe that everyone should have the access to the courses they wish to learn and learn those courses from the best teacher in the world, while still keeping the cost of learning affordable. I am Ajeesh, a Bharatanatyam instructor, performer, choreographer, a Post Diploma holder from the world-renowned institution Kalakshethra Foundation, Chennai. I was fortunate to serve my alma mater for more than a decade. At present, I am working as a dance director, Omkara Art Foundation, as well as in Granny Master. Through this platform, I will be training you one of the most popular art form of India, Bharatanatyam, the Natya of Bharata. The word Bharata lies upon the three elements, which is Bhavam or the expression, Ragam or the melody, Thalam or the rhythm. Please do join with us to learn this wonderful art form, Bharatanatyam.